this speedometer cable for a while from Birds. I don't know, big up Birds. Try install the speedometer cable. You don't know if you follow the speed limit of the road. You want to know how fast you go down. Now drive it from the other day, you know, from the new year. Yeah, see it there? This is what's left of the whole speedometer cable. You see the cable in there, and it's a way to bolt onto it. Look, simple enough from here, so still sketch it from here, so go through the dashes. Alright, see it here. I try to get out the gauge cluster through the dash here, so, and then how to do that, I have to pull them 4 bolts here. 1, 2, and I have that one here, so 3 and 4. Yeah, and probably I have to go ease out the dash, you know, ease out here, so the whole of the head unit, yeah, ease out head unit and stuff. I see the process still, yeah, so just follow me, stay tuned. Yes, viewers, kindly like, share and subscribe. You know, trying to get the videos to reach more and more people out there. You know, a lot of small man out there who have a little car. You know it go. You help yourself, and all the time you have the money. Remember, you have one here, so, and screw supposed to down here, so, you know what I mean? Yes, we have some screw to replace, you know, where there isn't any, you know, the whole car, you know, we have to build them, you know, we'll leave one of them been through. I mean, trust me, the car we thank you. I tell you that girl perform on the road, you understand? Perform. don't know. I'm a mechanic that, you know. Yeah, just an enthusiast, you know what I mean? I'm not a mechanic. It's a good one. In the meantime, then I can get all the clean off to don't. Yeah, see it there? Old car, watch all that. So, final thing, I forget about the cluster itself now, which is held by 3 screws again. 1, 2, focus camera, focus. And 3, or 3, which like a lot of other stuff in the car, that one missing. Thank God.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time.
Alright, now leading the cable from here, so you see, try get it in through here now. Let's try and make you see where the old cable go. Where the old cable was, that's where you're gonna lead it from and reach in through where the cluster is on the dash and dry it through. I'm gonna show you where it connect as well. What's that? Speedometer cable.
So you see, you end up find it back this and make the connection back, run back the new one show and thing. Okay.
Okay, there it is. Is it? Cable installed. It's tight. Tight cable installed, you know. I have to show you something where the milk got trouble a while ago. Me plug on, you know. Plug on and say I'm testing. And I didn't see any indicator coming on, so I was like, what? You know what I mean? I was like, what? The other day I work on indicator, so all indicator for now come on. But you see, because I had to take off this to pull off the cover to get to this, you know, I have to take off there to get to there. And this is what caused it, because the four-way flasher did plug out. So you know that goes, so take note, you know. This is how you install the speedometer cable.